Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable auto call recording on this device. So simply open your phone application. Now tap on the three dots on the top right side. Tap on settings. Then here you can see the option record calls. Tap on this one. Here you can see the option auto record calls. Now this is already enabled. Tap on the option auto record calls. So here you can see some options. If you want to record all the calls that you get on your phone, then you have to select this option. If you want to record calls with unsaved number, then you need to select this option. If you want to record the calls with the specific numbers, then you have to select this one. And if you select this one, then here we need to enter that specific numbers. If you want to record all calls except specific numbers, then also you need to record that specific number that not to record. Okay, so if you want to disable the auto call recording, just disable this option. If you want to enable, turn on this one, and you have better to select the option all calls. If you select the option all calls, it will record all calls that you get on your device. Okay, and if you want to see the recordings, then go back. Here you can see the option recorded calls. Tap on this one. Here you can see all the recorded calls you can see here. So simply in this way we can enable or disable the auto call recording on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.